Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Olively Natural. So I'm looking a little crazy right now, but I usually always look crazy in my videos, so forget that. But today I'm going to try out a new hairstyle. I'm going to try out passion twists. So if the video turns out well, you guys would have seen me pop it on an intro. If not, you're probably not going to watch this video. So let's get into it. I'm going to be using this hair that I got from the beauty supply store. It's the Model Glance braid, and according to the YouTube videos I've seen, you want to get water wave hair, so that's what I got, and I'm going to try this out. My hair is freshly washed and moisturized. Oh my goodness, today I did a bentonite clay mask and a DIY deep conditioning treatment, and it's after 8 o'clock and I'm gonna try to finish these twists by the end of tonight. So hopefully everything goes well. So this is what the hair looks like out of the pack. It's very lightweight and springy. I decided to go with a little bit of a highlight, so it has tints of brown. I'm gonna start off with the back. So right now I'm just gonna grab a piece of hair. It already comes kind of separated, so I'm just gonna fluff it out a little. So by the end, it should look a little fluffy like this. I'm gonna start it off as a braid just so it lasts longer. Okay, so this is the first piece. It's not as tight as I would like, but I'm just gonna keep going and see how this goes. Hey guys, so I finally figured out how to do passion twists, and they're going pretty well so far. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do the last piece. So I'm going to split it in half and then just start to braid. Once I get enough braid at the root, I'm going to just keep this. Take this twist, this piece, I'm going to take this piece of hair and mix it with this piece of the extension and keep these two together and twist. Okay guys, last twist. I'm so tired. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Yay! Finally done. Let's see, I started at 8 o'clock. It's now exactly 3:03. So it took me about 7 hours to complete these twists. So guys, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Today's the next day and I've slept on it and I really like these twists. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys leave this video a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!